Hi there, Turgeon here, bringing you Physics from Afar. Let's do the work. Review sheet. Let me show you a format that is based on 27 years of teaching people physics and teaching people how to review physics. You're going to choose items from recent practice tests. You're going to analyze them, and you're looking for concepts, principles, and you're putting them fully into words. We're not just referring to them, you are explaining them. You're rewriting. There's also space over here in the margin for you to build your own model. Build your own model. The whole idea here is that the reason we write, the reason we practice, the reason we say things and repeat things is because we're trying to cement that in our minds and construct that knowledge in our brains in a way that we can use, okay? So we want this to be useful, not just to summarize things. So carefully choose some problems. Fill up this sheet. Identify the actual principle or concept. You're probably going to need some help. That's the whole idea. I chose item number 3 from the FRQ of Practice Exam 3. I chose it because it was going to be productive and high yield. We're going to get a lot out of going over this. So I wrote down that I need to use y equals mx plus b, even if it might be tempting to just look at it. No, write down y equals mx plus b if you know you're going to graph something. Any reference to do this on the x or do this on the y axis. I also know that whatever I choose for x has to vary. It can't be something that is going to stay constant. There has to be something in the description that tells me that will be something that will be modified and measured. Equations and diagrams, you can refer to your equation sheet here. You're trying to write down other aspects of this principle that might apply. Make sure you're doing this in your own words. Mine was actually more of a skill than it was a concept. And keep in mind that there's room for creativity here. You can go outside of this exact format and build your model. Now, as you get to the bottom, you will do more, and what we consider more might be things that people have already showed me that they've done to study. This is due Wednesday the 6th, which happens to be the day of the AP Physics exam. So, good luck. Study hard. Study productive. Physics from Afar.